What's up, gentlemen? So today's video has one goal and one purpose only, and that is to make your face better looking and more aesthetic. Today, I'm going to go over some of my favorite and most effective facial enhancement hacks that any single one of you can do to have a better looking face, not to mention make it more aesthetic. Starting with number one, which is use baking soda to actually whiten your teeth. A few different ways, all right? Number one, a lot of people will just dip their wet toothbrush in baking soda and brush their teeth like normal. Or if you want to take it next level, take a half a teaspoon of baking soda, add 3% hydrogen peroxide to make a paste, and then use that. The hydrogen peroxide combined with the baking soda is next level in terms of whitening your teeth. The second thing I want to talk about is actually to even out your skin tone or dark pigmentation, whether or not it's from acne or blemishes or you've just got irregularity. An amazing treatment is actually lemons or limes. The citric acid, when applied to your face for about 20 minutes, if done repeatedly, will actually lighten dark pigmentation. You can also use lemons and limes to fight acne or pimples, all right? Because of the antibacterial property contained in lemons and limes, plus the citric acid, it's amazingly effective in treating acne's breakouts and blemishes. The next thing we're going to talk about to have a more aesthetic face is to actually have super soft, sexy lips. Now, a few things you can do. Buy lip balm. Actually, no, don't do that because most lip balms that you're going to buy in a store are designed specifically to actually dry your lips out. They got chemicals in there that actually make it feel good at first when you put it on, but you become addicted to it over time. If you want to automatically cure your sexy, kissably soft, sexy ass lips, apply a small dab of Vaseline at night. Boom, just like that, right before you go to bed. Never will you ever have chapped lips again. Dermatologist recommended. Guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. Now, another hack and use for Vaseline is to actually lock in your moisturizers and help them penetrate deeper. At night, before I go to bed, after I apply all my facial moisturizers and my eye cream, I'll take a small dab of Vaseline right there and simply put it around my eye. And the reason is because the Vaseline actually locks everything in place and helps the moisturizers penetrate deeper so that you wake up and your eyes look better and sexier and more amazing. Another hack in order to remove dark circles or puffiness, guys, are cold spoons. All right, way that it works, get teaspoons or tablespoons, put them underwater, put them in the freezer, and then when they're ready, take them out and hold them on your eyes until they get warm. Boom. What's going to happen is the cold compress actually makes the blood vessels constrict, makes the puffiness go away, and the dark circles reduce. Vaseline actually has been shown to help cure acne and breakouts and blemishes. Now, I know that a lot of you are thinking, wait a second, if you put it on your skin, isn't it going to clog your pores? Well, the interesting thing about Vaseline is that the molecule is too large to actually soak into your skin. It sits on top. And when you have breakouts or blemishes, by applying a small coat of Vaseline over top of it, you're actually going to encourage your skin to heal. Now, if you're somebody that wants to ensure that you've got amazing skin, the one thing that you can do in terms of a hack is develop an amazing skincare routine. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Tige Hanley. Tige Hanley. Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley. Tige Hanley. Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley. Tige Hanley.
Tige Hanley will make you literally handsome AF because it's effective AF. If you're somebody that wants a more aesthetic, handsome face, you gotta start doing some basic things to your face. You gotta wash your face twice a day to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime that builds up. Twice a week, exfoliate so that you remove the top dead layer of skin and make sure that your pores are squeaky clean. And then twice a day, you need to moisturize. Morning, before you leave the house, moisturizer with an SPF of 20. And then before you go to bed, this is one of the steps that a lot of guys miss. You've got to apply a moisturizer in order for your skin to have the essential nutrients it needs so that when you wake up, you're more handsome AF. Coincidentally, those are the core 4 products that come in a Tige Hanley Level 1 system. That's the basics. If you want to have an amazing face, do those 4 things every single day, every single week, and you're going to be amazed at how your face literally changes almost overnight. Now, the other beautiful thing about Tige Hanley, we've taken all the guesswork out of using it. In every system, you get this. It's an instruction card that tells you what time of day to use what product in what order and even how much. Now, if you want to go next level, go with the Level 2 system, which comes comes with an anti-aging eye cream. This stuff is literally gold. It's going to fight dark circles, puffiness, not to mention crow's feet. But if you want to take it top of the line, next level, handsome enhancement, go with the level 3 system, which is what I use. All right, comes with your core 4 products. It also comes with an eye cream, but also you get the anti-aging super serum that has amazing nutrients and ingredients in there to help even your skin tone, fight free radical damage, and make your skin and face handsome AF. But wait, there's more. Actually, there's not more. That's it. 3 levels, 3 systems. I want you to go and check them out. There's a link down below this video that's going to give you a special Alpha M deal. 30% off whichever Tiege Hanley system you want for month 1. You're also going to get to choose whichever free badass gift you want that's going to come with your purchase. If you are ready to feel incredible about the dude you see looking back at you in the mirror, gentlemen, and not age and be all nasty and have whack ass skin, hit the link down below. Do not wait. Tiege Hanley will literally help you feel and look amazing. AF. Amazing AF. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, do not wait, do not sleep on this deal, because the free gifts, they're not going to last, and this discount also is not going to last. Hit the link down below. Treat yourself to the best. The best is Tiege Hanley. The price is insane, and with this deal, this discount, it's literally a no-brainer. AF. I'm going to talk about next in terms of having a more aesthetic face actually has to do with your hair, and that is choosing a better hairstyle for your face shape. All right, your face shape, whether or not it's round, it's diamond, it's square, it's oblong, it's a hexagon, right? By choosing a hairstyle that complements and contrasts your face shape, it's going to make you look a lot better, all right? Give you an example. If you've got a round face, right, you do not want to have a soft like shag or like the bro flow. It's going to make your face look rounder. Instead, what I want you to do is go a little bit tighter on the sides and have a little bit more lift in the top. It's going to be a little bit more of an angular look and shape to your style, which is going to in turn make your face look better. In order to look your best, guys, you got to find a hairstyle that complements and contrasts your face shape. I'm going to link down below, also below that Tiege link, to a video that I did that helps you identify your face shape, but also choose the best look and style for you. One of the biggest mistakes that men make that make them look like not right is doing weird things with their eyebrows, right? If they're too thin, you look like a chick. If they're too far apart, you look a little bit slow. And so what I recommend is grab something straight like a comb. You're going to place it on the side of your nose and run it straight up. That is where your brow should start, all right? Pluck everything in between. And then the end right here, place that same comb on the center of your nose, run it to the corner of your eye, and that is where your brow should stop. The next hack to have a more aesthetic, handsome AF face, gentlemen, is to drink a gallon of water a day. You want to take it next level? Boom, add a lemon, because lemon water is amazing in terms of being a natural diuretic and detoxifier. By drinking 1 gallon of water a day, you're going to give your body the proper hydration it needs so that you're not retaining a bunch of water in your face, all right? That's what happens. If you're eating a diet that's high in crappy carbohydrates, high in salts, high in sulfites, and you're not drinking enough water to flush your system, you're going to retain it in your face, making your face look rounder and your eyes actually puffier. The other upside to drinking a gallon of water a day is that when you drink water, it's going to keep your skin clear, sexy, more radiant. Next thing we got to talk about is actually your sideburns, all right? One of the things that makes guys look a little bit weird is when they actually cut off their sideburns right at the top of their ear. Instead, a little hack that I'd like to show you is let them grow down to about the middle point of your ear, and then instead of cutting them straight, angle them slightly. Angle your sideburns slightly to follow the contour of your jaw, all right? It's a visual trick that makes your jaw look more angular and more defined. Now, the last hack I'd like to tell you about real quick is facial hair, all right? Of course, facial hair is literally like visual smoke and mirrors. Women have makeup to look sexy. Dudes have facial hair. Think of facial hair as like the male equivalent to makeup, right? Women, have you ever seen it, right? You'll see a woman and you're like, damn, she's sassy. You see her without makeup and you're like, yo, you're a wildebeest. Beards, same thing. If I would shave this, I literally would be hideous. But the beautiful thing is that facial hair, when done properly, can enhance your look, give you a stronger looking jaw, and make you handsome AF times 100, because that's what beards do. Now, few tips. You got to make sure you're defining your boundaries properly in order to have an aesthetic face. For your cheek, here's how you do it. Take something straight like that comb, right? Run it from the top of your ear to the corner of your mouth. You're going to shave everything above. That is the proper angle. Don't carve it too low. Don't let it grow too high. And then, as you know by now, one more time for the kids in the back. Underneath, how you going to do it? Head straight, take your finger, boom. You're going to shave everything below, leave everything above. If I had $1 for every dude that that I saw that was carving underneath their chin wrong, I would have a lot of dollars. It's literally one of the grooming deadly sins that so many dudes, like 90% of dudes, are doing it wrong. And what happens is when you carve up there, right, it makes you look like you got a weak ass double chin. Gentlemen, don't have a weak ass double chin.